Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics class 8 chapter 14 factorization exercise 14H questions 4 to 6. Let's see the fourth question. We have got here what I should do it here, right? So in the fourth question we have 3x square plus 13x plus 4. Compare it with this form. This form you don't have to write, but this is just for your understanding. And as I said, for every question we will be writing down four things, right? The value of A, the value of B and C and AC. A is the coefficient of x square, C and tell. So you will have the value of A as 3. B is the coefficient of x. Again look, what is the coefficient of x here? 13. So here also 13. C is just a simple value, so that is what? The third term, that is 4. And AC will be 4 into 3, 12. So the conditions apply as the sum is going to be what? The sum will be the value of B. So B is 13. So the sum will be 13 and the product will be what? The value of AC, right? Which is 12. Why are we doing this? Because we need these when we are going to split this middle term. See carefully here. You will have 3x square. Now you have to split 13x in such a way that the sum is 13 and the product is 12, right? So let's think of those factors of 13 that can give us this thing. So the only option that we can take right now is 12 and 1, right? 12 plus 1 is 13. 12 into 1 is what? 12. So you can write here 12x plus x plus 4. Again, when it is simply 1, you need not write this 1 down every time. You can remove this one also, it's fine. Okay, you can simply keep it like this. Now we will have what? We can make the groupings 3x square plus 12x in one group and x plus 4 in another group. From here you can take 3x common, so you will have x plus 4. From here you can take 1 common, so you will have x plus 4. Same thing, right? When nothing is common, we are taking 1 here, and from here we already had x plus 4. Now from both the groups we can take x plus 4 common. What we will be left with? 3x plus 1. That is what? The final answer, right? X plus 4 into 3x plus 1. Now let's move on to the next question. Now look at the fifth question. The fifth question says to us 4x square plus 8x minus 5. This is what he's asking, right? We have to factorize this. Again, look, the values are here. You have to put them one by one. Look from this form. This is the original form of these questions and we have to compare. See, the value of A is what? 4 because it is coefficient of x square. Value of B is what? 8 because it is coefficient of x. So you will have with it 8. C is what? 5. But you cannot make the mistake. You have to be careful with the signs also. As I said, whatever sign it is there, we will write that. Till now plus was coming, so we have not written. But now when 5 is minus, you have to write down minus 5 also. Okay, you cannot skip the minus. Now AC will be 4 into minus 5, that is minus 20. And that means what? Sum will be equal to the value of B, which is what? 8. And product will be equal to the value of AC, that is what? Minus 20. Alright, this way we have to split it. Now we can begin 4x square. Now 8x you have, which you have to split in such a way that the sum will be 8 of the coefficients and then their product will be minus 20. Okay, let's think of some factors, right? So 20 is divisible by, we can take 10 and 2, right? That will do the work. See here, 10x, 2x and minus 5. Don't give any signs right now. See, 10x and 2x. So sum has to be positive. Positive means the sign will go to the greater number. And the product is negative. That makes it very clear now that 1 is positive, 1 is negative, and positive sign will go to the greater number. So positive will be 10. Okay, what will be negative? This 2. So plus 10 minus 2 will give you plus 8. Plus 10 into minus 2 is minus 20. Now you can make the groups also 4x square plus 10x in one group and minus 2x minus 5 in another group. Clear? So we can take from here common of 2x. So we will have 2x plus 5 here. Now we have plus in this bracket and here minus in both the terms. So we will take minus 1 outside. Okay. So that inside we have all the terms as what? Positive. Okay, again nothing, no common factor was there, so we took 1 only out of this. 1 is always there, right? Generally you don't see, but 1 is always the common factor there, but we don't take it. So we have taken 1 and with it minus. Now we can take 2x plus 5 common here, and we will have 2x minus 1 over here. That is what? That is the final answer. Now let us move on to the sixth question. Now the sixth question tells us what? 2x square minus 5x minus 12. Write down the values. A is 2, B is what? Be careful with the sign, as I said. B is the coefficient of x, here it is 5. You will not just write 5, you will alongside with 5 write minus also, minus 5, okay. Then the value of C is what? Minus 12. So here what will come? Minus 12. AC will be equal to minus 12 into 2, minus 24. So the sum of the two has to be minus 5. The product has to be the value of AC, that is minus 24. Two things that you want, minus 5, minus 24. Now look for factors of 5 that have the sum as minus 5. So can we take 8 and 3? Yes, 8 and 3 into 8 into 3 is 24, right? Again we are going to deal with the signs later on. Just for now write down 8x and you write down 3x and then minus 12. Now see, sum has to be minus and product is also minus. So if product is minus, it is clear one term is positive, one term is negative. And the sign of the sum is minus, so that means the sign of the greater term will be minus. So which is the greater out of 8 and 3? 8. So you put minus. And as we have discussed, 1 is minus, 1 is plus, so the other one will be plus. Okay, minus 8x what? Plus 3. So we can take this as one group, 2x square minus 8x, and this as another group, 3x minus 12. What will this give us? Let's see. So from here you can take 2x common, you will have x minus 4. From here you can take 3 common, so you will have x minus 4. Now you can take x minus 4 common, you will have 2x plus 3. This is just simple factorization. That is what your final answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.